You're not going to believe how addictive this pan sauce for chicken is. It's a really fresh sauce that has a touch of herb, a bit of lemon, and really pairs well with chicken. Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and we're going to dive into a dill and lemon pan sauce for chicken. Buckle up, let's go! Grab 2 tablespoons worth of fresh dill, give it a nice rough chop. Grab a saute pan, put it over medium to medium-high heat, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. It's time to saute the chicken. And I'm using chicken breasts without the bone. Now you can use any type of chicken that you like with bone or without. Taster's choice. The process will be the same. And the goal here is to cook the chicken through first, obviously, but for a good pan sauce, you want there to be a lot of fond. So those little brown bits, that golden goodness on the bottom of the pan, that's what you're looking for. That'll add flavor to your pan sauce. Once the chicken's cooked, put it into a container to the side, cover it up, keep it warm. We'll add it back a little bit later. So check out the bottom of the pan, those brown golden bits, that's the fond, that's what we're looking for. So now it's time to make the pan sauce. Add 1.5 tablespoons or roughly 20 grams of butter to the saute pan and melt it down. After the butter's melted, it's time to add a little bit of flour, 1.5 tablespoons, that's about 20 grams. Give it a little bit of a mix. This is our roux, this is what's going to make the sauce nice and thick. Let it cook about 2 to 3 minutes to get that flour taste out. You'll know whenever it's done whenever you smell a warm, nutty smell. Once the roux is done, add 1 cup of chicken stock. That's about 250 milliliters. Pour it on in. Give it a quick stir. Make sure that you scrape the bottom and sides of the pan to incorporate that roux as well as all that fond that was on the bottom of the pan. Now it's time to roll in a few additional flavors to this sauce. Take half of a fresh lemon, squeeze it into the sauce. That's about 2 tablespoons or about 30 milliliters. And if you don't have one of these lemon presses, I suggest that you get one. They're super easy to use, and even above that, they're so easy to clean. Give the pan sauce a little bit of a mix, reduce it down over medium heat. You'll know that the pan sauce is done once it starts to leave trails whenever you stir and it coats the back of a spoon. Now it's time to finish the sauce up. Hit that spice rack, grab 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, and add the 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. Give the pan sauce a little bit of a stir. You can take it off heat, and I bet your mouth is watering now just smelling that warm dill, that lemon. This is the perfect pan sauce for chicken. You can't beat it. It's just so quick and easy to make. Look at that sauce, nice and thick. Check out that fresh dill. At this point, it's a good idea to taste the sauce to see if you need to adjust the seasoning to add maybe a little bit more pepper or a dash of salt. And then you can add the chicken back in, and there you go, a delicious pan sauce for chicken, a dill and lemon pan sauce. Well, thanks for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. I hope that you enjoyed the recipe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this recipe with your friends, and smash that subscribe button. And to remember, as always, to live, love, and make gravy.